Ever feel someone's respect slip, like you're suddenly an afterthought? That hurt is real, but there's one move that can reset the dynamic and make them wonder what you changed. Stay with me. Welcome to Stoic Mind Factory, where we talk psychology in plain English. Today, how to respond when your value drops. This isn't a trick to win them. It's a way to reclaim your time, your confidence, and the standard you expect. Ready? Let's jump in. When people feel ignored, they usually push harder. More calls, more favors, more explaining. Have you ever caught yourself doing that? Here's the surprising truth. The power move is to do less, not more. Step back. Pulling back creates space, and space creates contrast. When you're always available, it's easy for others to get lazy. But when your presence isn't guaranteed, they finally notice what they've been taking for granted. Weird how that works, right? And here's what most people miss. When you stop chasing, you stop rewarding low effort. That pause says, "I'm not unlimited," and it changes their approach. This isn't only about romance. It shows up with friends, relatives, and co-workers who've gotten too comfortable. This isn't some mind game. It's a reset. You move your focus back to the only thing you control: yourself. Stop tracking every little change in their behavior. Start building your own life again. Go to the gym, learn a skill, clean up your routine. Take that long walk, call someone who actually supports you. When you level up, it shows. Your calm becomes louder than your words. Your independence becomes attractive. That's when the balance starts to shift. Respect follows the person who respects themselves. Now let's talk boundaries. When someone devalues you, an emotional line has usually been crossed. Instead of arguing, show your limits through actions, what you'll accept and what you won't. People either rise to meet that standard or they remove themselves. And honestly, both outcomes protect you. Ask yourself this: who benefits when you keep overgiving? And what happens when you stop? The pause isn't punishment, it's clarity. And clarity forces a decision. Here's the best part. When you pull back and refocus on growth, one of two things happens. They realize they've been careless and try to come back with effort, or they fade out, leaving room for someone who values you without reminders. Either way, you're back in control. Space exposes intentions, not excuses. So remember, don't chase someone who won't choose you. Create space. Choose growth. Let your standards do the talking. People start valuing what feels like it could disappear. If you want more psychology moves like this, hit like and support Heart Whisper. Share your story below. I read them all, and I'll catch you right here next time.